Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another unboxing. We are filming my Taehyung album unboxing. I got these from Walmart, like I got the J-Hope one. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I don't know which version is the first version, so we're gonna do green, blue, then purple. So let's get into it. And I have Jessica sitting in the room with me. She won't say hi. There she goes. Okay, so here's the front of it. Here's the back. So we got like handwritten lyrics, it looks like, or notes that I can't read, but it's okay. And you open this, and you got Tanny. See, Jeff? Cute. Photo card. Okay, then you get this. I think this is the photo book. I could be wrong. I haven't seen unboxings of the album. Little lyric things. Looks like we got papers that you can use, which, knowing me, I'm not, because I don't want to ruin the album in this pristine condition. Oh, here's the photo book. We won't do a full flip through since we got 3 versions to go through, so let's just do this. Okay. Next up, we have a poster. Cute. Cute. Nothing on the back. Let's put everything back in so far. Okay. So first, we have the CD, which looks like it's just mixed on a computer, which that is so cute. I love it. Okay, get back in. And then I think the photo cards and everything else is in here. So let's see. Got this postcard of Tay. We got this postcard. I think you get all these 5 cards in every version, so they're not random, but 1, 2, 3. Aw, we got him, and I think that's Rocky. Or Tanny, I'm not sure.
Who's Rocky?
He was in the music videos.
Oh. Sorry, everybody. You're like, what the heck, Jessica? I'm sorry. I've just been working a lot, so I haven't been caught up.
I think this one's my favorite. This one. You're like, And then we got this one that's exclusive to Walmart.
I want my bias, Tanny.
She wants Tanny.
Tanny.
So you get 6 photo cards altogether if you buy from Walmart, which I think that's pretty good. I'll just stick that over here. I'm gonna stick everything back in, if I can grab everything. The one thing I hate about putting these things back in is they never go back in right. Okay. Okay, so now we're on to version 2. I'm assuming the photo card for the Walmart exclusive is going to be the same, which that's fine. I don't expect anything different. Oh, I forgot to show you the front. And then I'm assuming the back's the same. Another note. Tanny again. Yep, it's the same card, which that's okay. When I'm showing things off screen, I'm showing Jessica.
I'm not here. No.
And the CD's the same too. Ooh, okay, different envelope. So I'll set that right here. Same thingy-majiggy. Same lyrics. What? Oh, hold on. Same lyrics. Same mini photo book. Different poster. Okay, let's flip through this photo book real quick. Okay, everything back in. Photo cards. We have this postcard of Tae and this one of Tae. The both side these. Oh shoot.
Gosh darn it.
Oh gosh, darn it. Okay, this one comes with 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. I love this photo of him. 1, 2, 3. This one he's sticking out his tongue a little bit.
Took you long enough to notice?
2, 3. I just love all these photo cards. They're really cute and handsome. So, yes. Stick this back in here. Okay, now we're on to the third version. So we all know the photo card from Walmart is going to be the same now. No need to see if that's random. Here's the front. Note again. Tanny again. Same photo card. Same CD. Yep. What? Oh.
I'm looking at memes, everybody.
Jessica's looking at memes while I unbox.
Do people want to see this meme? Me right now. Hopefully you guys can read it.
Same checklist thing. Same lyrics. Same mini photo book. Different poster. And different photo book. I like to cover this one a lot. Like always, you gotta put everything away. And then let's see. Oh, on this picture that I love of Tay.
Cute.
Oh, I didn't even know there were things on the back. Look at little skateboarder. Just a little dude. Let's look at the other ones.
Did she hand that to you?
No.
What did she do with the doll?
She was gonna say something. My mom walked in, but I told her 1 second, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this card. So cute. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think this one's my favorite from this version.
Ooh, shut up.
Sha-la-la-la. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, finger guns.
Where's my bias candy?
1, 2, 3. Oh, I posted this picture on Instagram. And 1, 2, 3. No Tanny photo cards, just that one. Okay, guys. And then we just pack everything back in. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I'll come back with my Jungkook one soon. But yes, I'm so happy to have Tae's now. I can't believe I'm almost complete with BTS solo stuff for right now. But yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!